can see a door back in the back. Maybe if there's enough light to let you see it. Get in there. What do you think that was? Some metal? Well, then bullfrogs going again. Oh, grab it. See him? Then you got the back of these things. I don't know how many there are. But it seems like some of them, because the pond's leaking and it's running. Right down here, you can see all this water. Follows it. Water runs straight through there. And that's probably why this all collapsed, because the cows changed the watershed and now it started running through there. And they've all collapsed down. Nothing. And here's where the stream ought to be. This is the running stream. This one is always running, apparently. Can you see it running? I don't know if you can or not. But a bit of foam there or something. But all of this is coming from that pond. But there's a stream that they created another pond. And this stream needs dug out. Period. And all this needs leveled out. All this area here, gee whiz. All of this is just so ugly here. And them frogs are right there. Them coming from that noise that you're hearing, they're right there in that water. And there's our barn. Their bees. Then we have these structures. This is the back of them. All of that has got to go. The water's still streaming pretty good. Yeah, all that has got to get tore down. Oh, there's our bees. Back where we started. See if we can get some bee action going on here. Bees doing their bee thing. We love it. Here's our creek again. I say our creek was our stream. Have a natural stream, but again, the culvert is clogged up or something. It ain't going. It's all pooling up right here. Go stand on this culvert. Yep. All right, I'm looking at the culvert, and we're looking up where it comes from. Let's go up. It comes up there. Look at that. All clogged up. If we turn around to the other side of the culvert here, look up. Yeah. Culvert, but it doesn't flow. As you can see, it's supposed to go all the way out. Supposed to run all the way out here. Where'd it go? All the way out here, all the way out there, all the way out to there. But I don't see no ditch. So all I see is a big tunnel. So we're going to have to get a mini backhoe or something and dig us a ditch to get this all out of there. I'm hoping once we get that done, some of this will clear up. But then we got the culvert itself, which is all this. In there, and there. That we have to get unclogged, or is it clogged? How much of it's clogged? We don't know. Another pile of junk. And here's the front of these buildings. They are just ready to be pushed into a pile and dumped, burned up. There's a garage, 2-car garage. There's the back of the house. Need to tear off that portion, or finish tearing it off. Barry should have done that years ago. But when you're 70-something-year-old man, you don't do much, I guess, if you don't have to. All right. All right, well, that's it. Thank you much.